Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Now, it only takes 15 minutes in the sun to damage your skin. Before you step outside to enjoy the warm weather, heat, high temperatures and the sunshine, here's what you need to do for sun protection and just for a general safety of your skin. Always use a sunscreen. Sun damage may not necessarily show up as sunburn. It's a process which happens very quietly day by day and it builds up like that, leading to pigmentation, dullness and uneven skin tone. And most of the times, and sometimes the sunscreen that you're really relying on, it does the least to protect your glow. Trust me, I've tried so many sunscreens that felt heavy and greasy on my skin, or probably the ones that just sat on my skin like a layer of plastic. But guess what? That trapped heat and sweat on my face actually made the pigmentation worse. Here's a fact. The pigmentation that is caused by UV exposure is one of the hardest to fade away. And once it sets in, it sticks around. That's why it's not just about using any sunscreen, it's about using the right one for yourself. This is the Dr. Sheth's Kesar and Kojic Acid Sunscreen, and this one totally changed my perception about sunscreen because it not only protects, it corrects too. It offers SPF 50 PA++++ to provide pigmentation and free glowing skin. But what really makes it stand out is how it blends the power of science and nature. Kojic acid works to reduce pigmentation and Kesar gives my skin a natural glow. Plus it's lightweight, non-greasy and there's no white cast. Zero heaviness, just smooth, breathable protection. When your skin already has marks, you need more than just a sheet. You need a solution and this one does both of it. You can also add the Kesar and Kojic Acid Ampule Serum to your night skincare routine to fight pigmentation and dark spots. So grab yours now and use my code 20% for a discount which is offered on their official website drsheths.com. However, this is also available on Amazon, Flipkart and Nykaa. It's also about thinking of your outfit. Long-sleeved shirts, pants and long skirts can really protect your skin from the ultraviolet rays, but sometimes that's not possible or practical when you're out and about, especially at a beach destination. So at least make sure to just wear a t-shirt or a cover-up. Wear a hat for most of the protection if you're wearing a hat, especially the one that covers from all the brims, like your face, your ears, your front neck, your back neck. I think it's doing its best job. So try that out. Sunglasses are important too. Wearing sunglasses protects your eyes from ultraviolet rays and the risk of cataract as well. They also protect the tender skin which is around the eyes. So sunglasses which protect your eyes from both UVA and UVB rays give the maximum protection and they're the best. So try these tips and let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. I will see you very soon. Till then, take care. Bye.